Okay, so I'm recording two videos today because there's something else that I want to talk to you all about. Um, this has to do with kitchen safety, not just for canning, but for cooking, baking, for any kind of safety in the kitchen. There's two things that I want to recommend that you do so that you will be prepared in case of an emergency in your kitchen. One thing, I've got fire extinguishers in my house, but another thing that I have found that I keep, I've got one in the bathroom, one in the pantry, one in the kitchen. All over my house, and I bought them and given them to my kids to keep in their houses. They have aerosol fire extinguishers on Amazon. And so you can pop the lid off of it, just aim and spray, just like if you was spraying hairspray or spray paint or whatever, for putting out a small fire. Now, the other thing that I want to recommend, as many years as I've been working in the kitchen, I have been burned in the kitchen numerous times through the years. And so one of the things that I have learned through the years that's a big help, if you've got it on hand, is to get you a small bottle of aloe and stick it in your refrigerator. Some people might think that's crazy, but I'm telling you, I've been doing it for a long time. First of all, you've always heard, run cold water over a burn, that it pulls the heat out. Well, when you put that aloe on a burn, it not only pulls the heat out, but it starts that healing. Aloe it cools it immediately. And so you don't have to stand there and run water over your burn because the aloe is going to stay on there. I will take the aloe and just squirt it on the burn, and then get a nonstick, like a Telfa pad that's a nonstick bandage, and just stick that on there because it holds the cool in. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you today. If you don't have a bottle of good aloe, and if you can get aloe that has got a numbing agent in it, that's even better, because it'll not only cool the heat and start the healing process, but it will also numb that burning sensation to help you to be more comfortable immediately. So anyway, I hope that's a benefit to somebody. And so till the next time, God bless you.